For this portion of the video, I'm gonna show you what Vivaia sent me. They were kind enough to send me their products to try them out for you. Vivaia is a sustainable brand that creates stylish and eco-friendly footwear and apparel. Fun fact, they use 6 plastic bottles to create 1 pair of flat shoes, so how amazing is that? Their packaging are also made from recycled materials. Not only this brand is sustainable, but their shoes are really soft and comfortable. I picked 2 pairs from their website, so let's unbox them. The first pair are the Jade sandals. These square toe sandals are made from skin-friendly yarn uppers and ultra soft and comfortable insoles. The detailed texture on the upper creates an elegant look. It also comes with this card that has shoe care at the back and a measuring tape. The next pair are the Regina boots. Finish off your stunning look with these statement boots. And I really love how sleek they look. They have an elastic cuff that ensures a seamless fit around your ankle. Again, thank you to Vivaia. I will put the product links in the description box. Make sure to check out their website for sustainable products and use my code KM15.
Dito na kami sa Ostia. At binabash ako kasi naka-sweater at bikini lang ako. So sila may panloob. Ano kulay ng bikini mo? Blue. Blue din ako. Dito. Dun ba? Saan ka nag-eyeliner? Akala ko tinutusok talaga dun sa pinakaloob. Okay, so maglalakad na lang kami papuntang beach kasi naiwan kami ng bus.
Then you said, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried.
Hey guys, so we're currently on the beach. Okay, behind the scene po, ano?
You entangled in a chimera of a dream.
Hey guys. Three na oh, three na. Grabe yun.
Solid ground. I'm needing you to quit pulling me.
How is life in Hollywood for you? Now the tears roll down your eye. You can't hide all this loneliness inside.
Lakad yung kasama. Pinalak. Nakajakit.
What if I'm not too caught up for this life? I've never seen you act this way, so I came booked a one-way ticket.
Oh, ikaw naman.
Everything, pause my job and change my name so I can prove to you
Ostia mo.
what you told me was true.
Roma Ostia pala.
Then you said, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be I'll ask, how is life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true? And how come every time we talk, you act like you're too cool? The city of angels has you entangled in a chimera.
Ayan. Labo kasi ng mata eh. Sorry po, apat na nga po ang mata ni Kira, kaso din niya pa rin nakikita. Wow! Cheers!
It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign.
Ooh!
Glass of wine to find the diamonds in your eyes.
Bago pa yan kumain.
Another glass of
Ngayon mo natin to, diba? Bakit? Kana ba yan?
Mahirap pala kasama to pag sobrang gutom ka na, no?
what kind of shit
Per, oh,
Cute. 10 taon kayo, 10 taon na din.
oh, ang aperitivo mo, prepared by Joy. Sana ang bag mo. Kasi mangunguna kumain. Mangunguna kumain.
Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies like and in the morning you awake to a happy sunny day and you happen to lay right here with me. If history repeats, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies, you got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said.